So I'm just going to give us some little demonstration example of how notes are written based on the time signature. For example, when we have a 2/4 time signature, 2/4 time signature can be written this way. You can have, this means 2 crotchets in a bar. That's 2 crotchets, 2 crotchets in a bar. That's what 2/4 means, 2 crotchets in a bar. So when you mean 2 crotchets, we refer to something like this. And mind you, 2 crochets and its equivalent. So it could be its equivalent or it could be the crochet itself. So whichever one it is correct. So we can have something like this. So let's say this is the first bar. We can have something like this. You can have this. You can have this in the second bar, still correct. You can have this. You can have this in the third bar. You can have this in the third bar, it's still correct. And then, you know, the the subdivision, the grouping continues. You know, you understand, as much as you can think it, you understand. It's hold on. I'm trying to see if that, yeah, that's still correct. Yes, that's correct. So you can have something like this. You know, we had a grouping like this. There was a grouping we had earlier. It's like this. We had a grouping like this. I just want to give us something trickish a little. So we had grouping like this. So if you check this, this is not fully complete. This is okay. Is this fully complete? This will be this is 1 and this is half. So for this to be complete, we need to have something else like this. So if we have something like this, it should be complete. Now this, no, this is still, this is 1 crochet. This is still not complete. So we can have something like this. Let me adjust this a little. So if we have this should be complete. So with this we have 1, 2 quiver, and we have 1, 2. So this is the same thing as this. This is the same thing as this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 1, 2. This is 1, 2. So it's a bit trickish, you know, when the grouping continues. When you start diving into some complex style of grouping, then it might be a bit trickish and confusing. But just know that in as much as you understand subdivisions, that's 1 crochet is equals to 2 quiver, which is equals to 4 semi-quiver. You understand? If you understand those grouping, it will be easy for you to be able to break down each note on the time signature. So the same thing with a 3/4. So we're going to round up in this part. We're going to be writing out different time signature, showing examples on different time signature, and then we'll round up this section.